Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lost Inferno Fire Dragon here, and today we're opening up 3 boxes of Phantom Revengers and 2 of Doom of Dimensions. And this is, I'm looking for killer, cool tune out of this. Any Enneacraft or Hekahan will be sold or traded. And Doom, I'm just needed it. Just wanted to open it for the fun of it, but if any noise you're hearing, that would be my mini space heater to keep my room warm, which is already putting out some decent amount of heat, which feels nice. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and get through these as quickly as possible and get into the opening. Okay, let's get to these and then we can go ahead and get started with the opening. Shoot. Okay, so how I'm going to do this is 1 for cool. Okay, so we'll just remove the token card, the field center ones. Move the token cards out of the way. And how we'll do this is 1 of Phantom, 1 of Doom, Phantom, Doom, Phantom. And then let's go ahead and get started with our opening. We have Cool Tune Playlist, Arcane Apprentice, Earthbound Prisoner Stone Sweeper, Cool Tune Loudness War, Pinpoint Landing, number 11 Big Eye, and Enneacraft Zona. We have Snatch Steel, Book of Tayo, Crystal Wing Synchro Dragon, Enneacraft Automatar, Enneacraft Tromia, Yalda Al Hekahans, Spirit of Fallwind. Okay, we'll put hollows right there. Book of Tayo, Snatch Steel, Cool Tune Playlist, Plot of the Forbidden, and Tayo Endcraft, and Master Tao. Last of the first box. We have Terra the Hidden City, Sol and Luna, Trek Uganda, Cool Tune, Loudness War, Crackdown, Heckhands, and Hekahan Goddess. Next is Duma Dimensions. With that one, we have a Pat Trick, which makes it a bit easier on me to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Dark Contract, Maribane, Paradin, the True Draco Knight, Chevrolet, RB, Wake Up, Radiant Typhoon, Curse, Akovitz, and Elra, Doomsy. Twilight Rose, Goki, Didi, Megalith, Radiant, Sting, Kerbeus, Goki, and Pile Bunker for RB. Etherealize, Silk, Quad, Dogmatica, Sulfur, Didi, Serene, Tragic, Cookie, Hammer. There we go. Hunting, Fusion, Dark, Wake Up, Fleeting, Radiant, Draco. Next we're into Phantom, Tying, Reloader, Nightmare, Terror, Enneacraft, Asta, Pinpoint, Trauma. Tune playlist, Arcane, Earthbound, Remix, Godos, Gygus, Reviveth. Okay. Sol and Luna, Jet Synchron, Synchro Transmission, Clip, Eye, Big Eye, and Okuri. Luckily, I already have most of everything I need for Cool Tune. I'm just missing some other cards. Flare, Change, Allied Justice, Enneacraft, Hekahands, Enneacraft. This is always a good dopamine hit to do for when you need it. RB, Fusion Draft, Quagmatica, Hunting Scout, Fleeting Flower, Radiant Typhoon, Dominus Spiral. Okay, that's pretty good. Because there's a new Dominus trap coming out. I already have all the other 3. Well, I already have all the Dominus stuff, minus Spiral and the new one. Archmage, Lunar Rabbit, Archmage, Megalith, Doomsy, Onomata Kage, Kerbeus, next phase, Doomsy. Sulfur, Hunting Horn, Phoenix, RB, Radiant Typhoon, Sulfur, Sting, Disco, and Hammer. Necromancer, Silk Bomb, Sorry about that. Tamarind Lobster, I Just Snatch Steal, Nightmare Magician, Heck of Hands, number 11, Pot of the Forbidden. Okay, down to our last 2 packs. Can we pull a Starlight or a Collector's Rare? I don't think so. Terror, Soul Luna, Autonomous, Remix, Heck of Hands, Asta, Pixa, Heck of Hands. Down to our last pack. Last pack magic. Can we get something good? Arcane, Terror, Earthbound. Yes! My second Q. Oh, that's my last one I needed. That's my second one I needed. Now I just need one more. And then, yeah. So, I guys hope you enjoyed this opening. Please like and subscribe. We're very close to hitting 1,000 now since we just hit 500. So, you guys would want to support the channel in any way. Links are down in the description to support my channel using my affiliate codes, along with helping the channel grow. So, yeah, this is Lost Inferno Fire Dragon signing off.